In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can update your image quickly and confidently, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to make sure it looks great everywhere. Start by looking to the top right corner of your screen. You should see your avatar, which may appear as a small circle showing your current photo or your initials if you haven't set one yet. This is your entry point to account options. Make sure you're signed in, because the avatar only appears when you're logged into your account. Click that avatar to open a small menu. From the menu, select My Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where your public-facing details live. If you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, confirm you're in the right one before proceeding so you don't update the wrong profile. On this page, you'll see your current image and options related to your profile information. Next, click Change Photo. This button is usually near your current picture. Clicking it will open a dialog or panel prompting you to select a new image. Some platforms offer a built-in cropping tool at this point, which is handy for framing your picture exactly the way you want it. Now upload a new picture and save. Choose a clear, well-lit image, ideally a recent headshot with your face centered and a simple background. Square or circular-friendly photos usually look best since most apps display avatars in a circle. For best results, use a high-resolution JPG or PNG so it doesn't appear pixelated. Keep an eye on any file size limits shown in the uploader. You can drag and drop the image if that's supported, or browse your device to find it. After the file is selected, wait for the upload to finish. If a crop or zoom tool appears, adjust the frame so your face is centered with comfortable margins, then confirm. Finally, make sure to save. Look for a Save, Apply, or Done button to commit your changes. Without this, your new picture won't stick. Once saved, your profile picture should update across the app. Some places cache images, so if you don't see it immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. That's all there is to it. Click your avatar in the top right corner, go to My Profile, choose Change Photo, then Upload and Save. With these tips, your new profile picture will look clean, consistent, and professional wherever it appears.